Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your ChatGPT conversation from one account to another. So let's call it first and second account. First of all, you're going to have to get logged into your first account and simply click onto your initial. From here, select settings. And from this menu option, select data controls. Scroll all the way below, then select export, data export. Now likewise select confirm export. As you do that, you will be required to enter the PIN, which will be sent to your email address. Once you type in the PIN, select continue. And once done, it will take a couple of days to simply get your data exported. You will find it in the same email address where your first ChatGPT account is registered. Now, it will be a JSON file. Once you receive the JSON file, you're going to have to simply launch your second ChatGPT account. And then here you will see plus button. Go ahead, click onto it, and simply select this add photos and files, which will open your file explorer, and all you have to do is download that JSON file, which will be emailed to you, and simply paste the file right here. As you do that, it will hopefully load all the conversations that took days to download. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.